Hey, Radio Garage back on the bench. Thanks for joining me, guys. Hope everybody's been doing well. What I have here today is a base station. Took a while to get done. Had to basically overhaul it. So what I did here on the front was I went through, cleaned all your controls, went in through all the grooves here with some degreaser, got everything cleaned out. These are shining up real nice. I'll zoom in on them a little bit, show you how nice they shined up. So you see they're like new. Got your channel display here. This is brand new. I'll show you. Here's your old one. Okay, we got that taken out, got a new one put in that had a segment burnt out, got your meter lights replaced. Everything else is working, everything's cleaned up, everything's lubed, deoxit. I'll just show you the inside here. I have all your caps are replaced. So zoom back out. I'll just show you here. So got all your caps done. Got your caps over here on your power supply board done. Got your voltage regulator on your power supply replaced and upgraded. Got this set on the AC, well, when you're running the AC side for 14.5 excuse me, DC. Right now I have it running off the DC though, because this could go AC or DC. It has a switch in the back. Got your final end driver re-greased, modulation pass transistor re-greased, voltage regulator, audio chip re-greased. So they're all good for another 100,000 miles. Everything blown out in here, dust it with the brush. I sprayed, I have the bottom cover on, but I'm using this new stuff when I'm cleaning boards. Reach over here and grab it. This stuff is nice for you guys that do your own work. I know a lot of you do. I've been using this stuff from, got it from Newark. This is a cleaning solvent that's nice for boards to take the flux off. Now this is for electronics, so if you look on the back here, I'm just reading this. It says for electronic, electromechanical, and mechanical assemblies, removes oil, grease, and flux contaminants. So that's something you want to look for if you're picking up something to clean these PC boards, radio boards. So yeah, did the back side of the board with that, got you all cleaned up. Get this cover back on and let's do some testing. So I know it's been a little while since the video, guys, been busy. Believe it or not, the videos slow me down when I have to do videos, because of course you have the upload time and then editing, and I mean some of them don't get edited. I'm able to go right through, but yeah, it's just, you know, it's time consuming. A lot of people don't realize what goes into making a video. Of course I don't charge for them, there's no fee, so I don't make anything off them, but a lot of times when I get backed up I do stop doing the videos, so I'm able to catch up and do more radios and just bang them out that way. Also too, before I open the floodgates on the repairs getting sent in and radios getting sent in for mail-ins, I got a couple more things I want to button up as far as the website goes. I did get a couple new products added on there. I'm going to be adding some more stuff. I'm going to put some coax assemblies on there, pre-made for guys. Somebody had said about making up audio cables, pre-made audio cables for, you know, that's also an option. I think that's not a bad idea. Maybe I could do that. I'm going to put some, I want to get some power cords in. They're totally out of stock everywhere. When I get them in, they're going to be on there. Just, you know, stuff like that. I'm going to put some shirts on there, some stickers, so, you know, all that good stuff. Anyways, but that's, yeah, so that's a little update where we're at. Let's get this thing tested out here quick. Show you what it's doing for power on the watt meter. Just using a stock mic. I will show you that your mic that you sent in is working before the video is over though. I did not forget about that. So we are on a 50-watt slug. That is the center scale. We are on average. Going 3 watts. Oh, mic gain's down. Yeah, about 7 watts forward swing. We'll put it to peak. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 audio. Yeah, about 16 watts PEP. That's not bad at all. Swinging from 3. And we'll take you over here. We'll put her on the scope. Take that out. I'm just going to be using the communications test set for this. I'm not using the function generator. Alright, so that automatically keys up, shorts out the keying circuit here. So we see we went red there. I'm going to turn the mic gain down to get a reference. Alright. Because if the mic gain's turned up, it tries to, it screws up the scope. It tries to send a signal through. So we're a little bit over 2 divisions. Right here would be 100%. Because it would be 4 divisions. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4. It'd be 1 extra on the top and the bottom. And then right here would be 150%. And I'm just going to hit the audio on here and see where she goes. So we are darn near 150%. I have this off a little bit here. I adjust that up so it's more even. My center line, that's just adjust the center line. So yeah, we're darn close to 150, probably about 140% modulation right there. Clean as a whistle. Negatives are perfect. If a good sign to look for, guys, the positives, take that and flip it, and that you should have that right there in your negative troughs, and we do. So we have nice rounded positives, we have nice rounded negatives. And she'll just sit there and do that all day until I say quit it, and then that goes off. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let me show you what it's doing on sideband for power. Actually, here, plug the mic back in. So sideband. We're in peak still. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5. About 17, maybe a watt more on sideband. And I'm gonna let you hear it over the air while we have everything set up. If I could get the camera to point up at the George there. Alright, so we were on 38. Let me get this up to 38. Sideband. No, I'm on AM. I gotta put this aside. Oh, I got your clarifier unlocked, so I'll 1 2 3 4 5 audio. 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 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, right there. And that comes in on the clarifier. Yeah. See, it's straight up and down. She's dead on. The George is good and warm. This is good and warm. The George never leaves. You know, I don't even talk on the George, so that's always my reference. I am planning on getting a different bench radio soon, but yeah, I mean that doesn't drift at all up there. Then of course too, I have the frequency counter over here that I line everything up on, that runs off the external 10 megahertz reference. So alright, let me show it to you on AM. Zoom that back in so you can see the S meter. Alright, we're on AM now. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 audio drive. Very good. we'll show you. This is clean as a whistle on the spectrum analyzer. I'm not going to go through that. This video is already getting super long. 40 channel CBs, guys, they're very rarely are you ever going to see anything on a spectrum analyzer. Actually, you know what, let me just prove it. It's the exports that you, where's my cable here? Alright. It's the exports you got to worry about. Anything that's FCC regulated should technically be fine. But we'll just make sure. Show the span at, yeah, we'll say 15 megahertz. Let me get this back down to 20 here. Channel 20, mic gains up. AM. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'll just, actually let me zoom this in a little bit. So yeah, 15 megahertz. Take the span to 30. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then take it to 60, show you the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, absolutely nothing. Take it to 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which just proves what I said. I'll zoom this back out. Get this RF generator plugged in here to the receive, and then I would like to get a radio check, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the amp hooked up, and I'll do one with the amp. Get this screwed in all the way here. Alright. You could hear that. And that's going to be S9. Let me back this up. Okay, there's your S9. Now I will turn the volume down and we'll get the Synad reading off of here. Which is, let's see, which one do I need? I need this one here. Then take this over to the audio. Turn my volume back up. Dial this down. Yeah, I mean it's got pretty good ears for what it is. Yeah, 108, negative 108. She's coming in at. This doesn't have any kind of Schottky diode mods, receiver mods. This is just an old-fashioned. The bottom left there, 12. Yeah, just an old-fashioned tune and alignment. And let me show you on sideband what it's doing. I've seen a lot of guys are advertising receiver mods on the new radios, saying that for Schottky diodes. And guys, all the new Galaxies and exports are pretty much that I've seen coming with them already in it. So you're getting ripped pretty hard on that if you're paying extra for Schottky diodes that are already in the radio. Alright, lower sideband. Let me get my frequency down where it needs to be. And we actually jump up a little bit. It has a little better ears on sideband. Oh, let me zoom out. I don't know what I'm doing. Dang it. Forgot to hit this. So on lower sideband, she comes in at oh boy. Yeah, she hears really good on lower. I keep bumping my volume up. Keep my voltage up. And these things, I mean, these things really do shine on sideband, so it's no surprise. 119. Yeah, let's just make it 119 even. 119 even, and I'll show you the bottom left column. Now, somebody said to me one time, where am I looking at for the audio for the sign ad? I believe I do always say bottom left column, but what I mean by that is this right here. Okay, so that is going to do it. Let me get this turned off. I'm going to get the amplifier hooked up, and we'll be back. I'll show you what the amp's doing. Alright, actually I'm going to do the amplifier in another video. I'm going to do 2 videos because it's going to be easier that way. But let me show you, I forgot to show you that this microphone's working, so this is going to be the last thing for this video. Then I'm going to do another one with just the amplifier and hopefully a radio check. So yeah, let me show you that this is working on the scope there. Now I'm going to talk into your mic and just look up at the scope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's on sideband. This is AM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know it's working by seeing that. So you're all good, because I know you weren't sure about the wiring on it. But yeah, it's wired up right. Everything's good. Alright, thanks guys. Appreciate all you guys, really do, for the support and helping the channel grow. So if you don't mind, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe please, and we'll see you next time.